So in this final part I will add blends to the edges. So I will select the part, press the S key, select blend, and I will use 0.5 as radius. So first I will select this face here, and it will add a blend around all edges. Then I will continue. We see that I have smooth connected selected here, so I will select that edge and this one and this one. Come over here, select that edge, this one as well. Then I will select this edge. Now you see when I select that edge, all the other edges went green, and that means that now it's too complex. If I now click OK, I will get an error message. So in this case, it's better to remove the last one, delete it, and then click OK. Then I can continue to select this edge. Now it will work. And we'll see that all the other edges was also selected because I have smooth connected checked here. So in this case, it's not good to have smooth connected checked. So I will uncheck it so I can select the edges I want to blend. So in this case, I'm satisfied with that one. Then I continue on this side. Select it, select blend, select that face. Then I continue with this edge. Let's see now, this one, and that one. Same here and here. And now if I select this one, we see that all the other edges will turn into green. That means there is this situation is too complex. So I will remove the last one here, right click, delete it, then click OK, and then I can continue to select this edge and press OK. The same goes with this edge here. If I now select blend, if I now select smooth connected and select this edge, all the edges will be selected, and we see that there is a preview now of the blend. That means it is too complex. So that's why I'm now disconnect smooth connected. So now I can select the edges I want to blend. See now, that one was also too complex, so I will have to delete it. Select that one. That one is also. So now I can do like this, select that, go back to blend and continue to select edges. Like this. Now they are connected. Like so. Click OK. So that's what can happen when it's too complex. Just take some edges and blend them, and then continue with the next edge. Same here. I will select blend and blend this one like so. So that's something to consider when you are working with a complex part and adding blends. That sometimes you have to use you can use smooth connected and sometimes not, and you have to choose just a few edges and then press OK and then continue to add blends. And now I will speed up the video, and then we will see how this part looks like when all the blends are added. So this is how the part looks like now when all the blends are added. And if you want to add some colors, you just select it, right click, go to Smart Paint, and I will choose this blue color. And if you want to have different color inside, you just select the surface. And then if you have another catalog, perhaps textures or something, you can use another material inside, like so. And it will look a lot better when you add colors. So this is how you can create a flagpole mount in Ironcad.